Alright, Betsy, this is Screenomatic, and I'm going to teach you how to make a button on Google Sites. Screencast-O-Matic. You're going to go down to your Google Sites. You'll find a photo that you want to use. Control-C or copy image. You'll go Control-V. Your photo is in. Text box. Make the box the width of the picture. You now have your tab in. When it comes down to the bottom, then it anchors on there. You get a link. Select your word. That will be your title. Link. Paste your link. Apply. Bold. And you are done. It dimpled. Bold, and you are done. Now, when you come up, you'll tap the thing, and your link's right here, and to make this public, you will publish it. When you have a link, if it is a link to a Google Doc, you need to make sure that when you have share, that it says anyone with the link is a viewer, and you can copy your link right from here.